Y'all, why every time we make it to our truck after it sits for like a day and a half, it is dirty?
Me and my wife be all on the road, we moving them lows. All of the time we catching them plays, get to the dough. Flying by scales, when it's green, we on gold. Never late, pulling up straight, big lows, moving, get dough. All on the road, moving low. How till I about, they know we gon' go. They know we don't 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 go.
Y'all, why every time we make it to our truck after it sits for like a day and a half, it is dirty? We have been to TA, it has been in Freightliner, we have had batteries changed out twice in a 3-month span. All the batteries to make sure. And we are dead again. If there's someone out there that can give me some kind of clue of what to check. They say it's not the alternator, it's not any of that. I can scream. Okay. Hello and welcome back. Okay, we're about to load this truck up. And we're waiting to figure out what we're gonna do to get this truck started. This battery just keep on dead. But thank you for all for tuning in, and welcome back to those who've been here before and all of the new people. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Our journey and to see what over the road truckers go through. So I'm gonna load up right quick and then we'll see where we go from there. Okay. Okay, we'll be back. I'll be back. Okay, well, we're here at Freightliner, and we're gonna see if they have the big heavy-duty jumping cables, because I'm so tired of this, of getting a jump every time we need one. So let's just see if they have one. It's not an outrageous ass price. Okay, come in with me. I hope they have one cheaper than that. $1,000 later, we have a jumper set from Freightliner.
Let's see if we got some juice, cause you gotta charge up.
Cables for everything. Okay, that's the on button. Turning it on for the first time. And it is at 97%, so we don't have to charge it. Okay, let's hook it up and see how it works. I'm finna put my little trusty stand to work. This little thing comes in handy. Okay, back to charging the truck.
That worked.
Time you put it on there, all the lights came on. Okay, we got the truck started. Yeah, we got it, and it did it. I mean, fast. So, anybody that's out on the road and you don't always want to call TA and jumpstart places, get you one. It's a great investment. So now we're loading up because this load has been waiting on us, and David's outside doing the last minute maintenance stuff on the truck. Checking, making sure everything is full again. We don't have time to get a truck wash today. We really need one, but we don't have time to get one. Okay, let's hurry up and finish loading this truck up and make it up to Dallas Hub to get this load to go to Philadelphia. We were just called about it a couple hours ago because we were supposed to be going to Las Vegas, but that isn't gonna close. So they called us for that one. So we got another load going to Philadelphia. Okay. I'll see you when we get there to pick it up. All right. On the way to the hub, I got hungry. So when we stopped to finish loading, I put me in some chicken in the air fryer. And now it's done. After my inspection, I love this little air fryer. Yeah, I see a chicken. Golden brown. Now I can eat with something because I miss lunch. Worrying about the batteries. Ooh, it's hot outside. Okay, I'll be back.
It's overboard now.
Just drove my clock down and I'm ready for bed. I got to tie this hair up.
Some surgery.
I'm ready to lay down. We're in Jackson at a pilot and we found a parking spot. I guess somebody just left out because this load was not, this load wasn't planned, so we didn't sleep before or get our bodies ready and rested before we came. They called and we jumped up and we left, and then you seen what happened before we got here, so that also pushed us back. That could have been energy we used driving. So he's switching the clocks now, so when he gets up he can just go. But I'm gonna get ready and lay down, and I'll see you all when I'm up and rolling again. Alright, I'll see you in a little bit. It'd be so tickled, y'all look.
Tell me, I ain't going that weight room, but hey, I got the muscle. It's in there. You gonna feel it. You probably don't see it, but you gonna feel it. Oh,
Coffee, stop. All right. Sugar. I got more sugar. Fresh cut. Oh, it look like the spot where they go is not there. Oh, right there. Rockstar.
sure.
Yes. Hold on. Let's zoom in. Hey. Well, baby got all his stuff. What'd you get for free today?
A Rockstar fruit cup. I'm trying to get the other one, but this all they had, so I settled for this. You know what I'm saying?
I mean that's the deal if you
They
come
give
in.
you something free every day with my military discount.
Is that what you got on there? Oh no. Okay, no, it's for gas, y'all. Y'all start getting fuel at Pilot and 19s, and they give you stuff for free.
You have to get the app.
Yeah, you got to get the app though, because you wouldn't know if you didn't have the app. Okay, let's get down this road. Well, we made it to Philadelphia. We just dropped the trailer we brung in, and now we are about to pick up an empty to take to another part of Pennsylvania. I guess a smaller hub to pick up our load to go back to Dallas. Yeah. Ooh, these streets here in Philadelphia, they park everywhere. Philadelphia has a big hub. Big hub. See you when I see you. Just kidding. I'll be back in a minute.
We can't just be talking about it. I want you to decide it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. I know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got.
So I said that I was needing. I thought you would be real. I thought you would be right. Talking all that tough shit, think you gon' go down.
truck full of. Maybe it was that one in the back big thing. That one, that other exit. Gone in there.
I gave you attention when nobody else was paying. I gave you the shirt off my back, what you saying? Keep you warm. I showed you the game everybody else was playing. That's for sure. And I was running when nobody else.
We already did that. You hear that? Trailer's already ready for us. It's not even that much. Okay. All of the tires look okay. And the brakes. And the side. Okay. Let me close it up. Well, we made it back to Dallas and we dropped the load. And then our daughter called us that they were having a junior crossover at school and we were making it back. So I'm on my way to my daughter's school. She's a senior now. Proud mommy, proud mommy. Class of 2026.
How you end this year will be how you will begin next year.
With a couple of good friends, a great teacher, and striving for the best. Congratulations, Ariana. My senior.
Me and my wife be all on the road, we moving them lows. All of the time we catching them plays, get to the dough. Flying back scales, when it's green, we on gold. Never late, pulling up straight, big lows, moving, get dough. All on the road, moving low. How till I bought, they know we gon' go. They know we don't go. They know we don't go.